Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and we're going to go over how you replace the dome light. The dome light is the light that's located in the back seating compartment. Being the one up in the front is called the map light, but we have the dome light back here, which is these two lights, so when you open up the door they'll illuminate, or your passengers could press the button to illuminate in the back. Now, to replace these, much like the same on the front of the map lights, you'll take your screwdriver, a small screwdriver, and be able to get in there on the sides to pop this out, and then you reach in, grab the light bulb, and be able to pull the light bulb out. Now this light bulb is a 168, PC 168, and that would be the bulb that you would get to replace it. And then you take the new one and just press it in there, and now you're going to take your cover plate, and you're going to know on the plate we've got a longer tab on this side, and that goes toward the center of the vehicle, and put that in first, and then just snap this edge up in. And that's how you would replace your dome light on your 2011 Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.